How to reduce noise during meetings in Microsoft Teams desktop app. When your microphone is on during a Teams meeting or call, all background noises such as barking dog, doorbell ring, slamming doors and so on might be hearable to other participants. MS Teams offers multiple levels of noise suppression that will help with this problem. During Teams meeting or call, go to More Options by clicking on 3 dots in your meeting controls. Select Settings and then go to Device Settings. Navigate to Noise Suppression section. You will have 4 options to choose from. Auto, Default, the Teams app will decide on the best level of noise suppression based on local noise. High suppresses all background sound that is in speech. Please note enabling this option will use more computer resources, so if your Teams app does not run smoothly already, choose Auto. Low suppresses low levels of persistent background noise, such as a computer fan or air conditioner. Use this setting for playing music. Off, use this option to disable noise suppression. Please note, once changed, the setting carries over to your next meeting or call. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.